This is Wakaskas in the library, and this video is on how to use this content block here using ebooks. Okay, so I've got a couple different ebooks. I think this one in the middle is a little bit different, and I'll tell you what it is. If it says unlimited users, it means many people can access the same book at the same time. Every once in a while, you'll find a book that has 1 or 3 users, and when you go to try and open it, it says this book is currently in use, and that means you'll just have to come back later. There's nothing that you can do about it or I can do about it. It just means someone else has access to it. But unlimited users means everybody can use it in the class at the same time. So we're going to go into the Rutledge Handbook. And you've got your chapters right here that you can quickly just look and see what you can actually click on through. If you wanted to go to Zeus, you can click right here. Okay. And then you can search. You can actually, let's see. That tells you to download the chapter, which I don't remember if you can do or not. But I wanted to show you what you can't. I do want to show you I want to show you, I don't know if it's a preface page. Let's go back. It's a table of contents. There we go. Here's your table of contents. It's a little bit more specific than your, oh no, that's a table of pictures. Let's see. I'm making you stay through this, sorry. Oh, where's the table of contents? I'll find it in a second for you. Let me go back. Let me go back. Here we go. This gives me my table of contents right here. Okay, so you can quickly look through your table of contents like you would a regular book and see what stories are being told. If you're not sure your story is being told because it's a part of somebody else's story, this is what I love about an ebook. You could always find it in an index, right? But this is even better. So let's say I wanted to do Rhea, if I'm saying her name right. Okay. So I'm going to click through here, and it's showing me here that her story's been told on 33, 34, 35, 36. So she must be a part of the story of Gaia, whatever that is, in the Titans. Okay. And then scrolling on down, you can see her story's being told again in 66 through 73, 74, which is right here, right? The further mythology of Cronus and Rhea, right? That makes sense. What's nice about this is you can scroll on down and see where else her story is being told. And you can quickly look into the sentence and see if it pertains to what you're talking about. If you are looking for 2 people together, you could actually talk about Rio and Kronos together, and they'll be looking for places where both of those are. Now, notice how you get more hits because they're looking for Kronos and Rhea. Okay, maybe what if I said and? Oh, I got too many. That's too many. I think. Okay, but if I had a string of words that I wanted to get, if I wanted to get 2 people in it, or if I needed a certain phrase, if you put it in quotes, it will look for that string of words looking all together in the same sentence, not necessarily somewhere together in the same paragraph. Anyway, so that's what I love about the search within feature. Let me go back. Okay. And then I wanted to show you that's how these 3 work. And then there's this funky one right here. I could not link out to the whole book. Unfortunately, I don't know why. Actually, I do know why. It's just too hard to explain. I can't link out to the whole book. I don't own the book. I own access to the articles in the book. So what I did is I linked out to the search from inside this book. Okay. And what it's giving me is it is called Critical Survey of Mythology and Folklore. So it's not just Greco-Roman. It's also Norse. It's also Eastern Asian. You can come down here and you can see other things. So what you'll have to do, it'll take a little bit of time, is you just kind of scroll down and see if your story is being told in this book. Let's see, if I go advanced search, I could actually add more to it if I wanted to look for Persephone. I don't think Persephone is one of them. Artemis. Let's see if we can find it this way. Now it's looking for Artemis outside of that book. So what I would encourage you to do on this case is just kind of scroll through this and see if your stories are being told in this book. Let me know if I can help you find your sources.